yet?
I'm not counting. I'm not going to.
Alrighty, folks. Or wait, that's not how I start the video. Howdy, folks. I'm Eric.
I'm Jordan.
And this is North American Adventures. Thanks for clicking the video. You join us today for the finale of Joshua Tree National Park.
Last hike.
We're going up to 49 Palms Oasis. It is a 3-mile out and back, going up about 400 feet and then down 300 to the Oasis itself before coming all the way back to the parking lot. It is very hot here today. It is finally feeling like summer here in Joshua Tree. It's over 70, and in the sun it feels like 85, easily 90. So it's midday. We're gonna pump up this hill real quick and then enjoy the way down. So let's get started. This very deserty. Alrighty, folks, we have reached the top of our elevation for today. I think it's right around 3,070 feet. Now we're going to be heading downhill, as you can see. And then down and around the corner is where the Oasis is. Short and sweet. You can start to see the palms down at the bottom there. "49 Palms, baby." It's almost like an oasis.
That's a nice shade. That's the first shade.
Yeah. Cold spot and some shade.
Tree beard.
Lovely. Did you count all the palms yet?
I've not counted all the palms, and I'm not going to. I think you should. No. Don't give him any ideas.
Yeah, we don't want to be here all day. Little frog lake. Alrighty folks, that was the 49 Palms Oasis. We are going to head back to the car now. We have to go up 300 feet and then back down another 400. It is super hot here. You could see that temperature gauge said it was right around 80. That's why I got the desert garb on today. I burned myself pretty bad yesterday, so figured I'd protect myself. But it's our last hike, so we're gonna finish up strong. And just like that, we've made it back up to 3,070 feet. You can see the palms down below us there. The path up was quite steep, but nothing we can't handle. Only took us about 10-15 minutes, in fact. And you know what that means? Downhill from here. Last hike, last hike, last hike. Well, strangle. Howdy folks, just got back down to the car. It's just about 3 o'clock now. So that took us about 1.5 hours. We are not huge fans when you have to go up and then back down, because then you have to hit another uphill after already working so hard. But with that said, these Oasis hikes have been really nice. It's so pleasant to experience a different type of landscape and environment as you are making your way through the desert. The trail itself was very well maintained, easy to follow, well signed, somewhat rocky, but mostly flat and uphill along the route. It was very hot today, at high over 80, so the sun was just beating down on us as we were coming uphill, so the desert garb was highly necessary. If you enjoyed all of our videos here in Joshua Tree National Park, do us a big favor and subscribe, comment, and share down below. And we will see you in the next one. Peace!